Cricket matches and amazing food both go hand in hand. Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Indian Culinary League. Today's recipe is dedicated to Knight Riders from Kolkata and I am making Hilsa Paturi. Let's begin. Hilsa or Ilish Paturi is a very typical Bengali delicacy and is amazingly quick and easy. For that we need to grind a smooth fine paste, and for that paste we need two kinds of mustard. The first one is yellow mustard, which I've soaked in warm water. For this, I'm also going to use black mustard, which is also soaked in warm water. This is followed up with white poppy seeds, soaked in warm water. Let's transfer this in a grinder. For the grinding, I'm not initially going to use water, but later, if required, I'm going to use the water which has been reserved. To this, let's add in some melon seeds, and along with this, I'm going to use some coconut. This is fresh coconut. I'm using sliced coconut to grind it. You can also use crushed or grated coconut in this paste. I'm just going to roughly cut it into dices so that it kind of becomes easy to grind. Let's transfer this. To spice this up, I'm going to use 2 green chilies. Just quickly snap the stalks. And along with this, some mustard oil. Well, I'm adding mustard oil at this stage because I want the paste to be nice and smooth. You can make this paste with a little water and add mustard oil later once the paste is made. Let's churn this now. Let's give this a quick check and add in some water. I'm using the same water in which I'd soaked the mustard. Let's churn this into a smooth paste one last time. Let's check the paste. Well, this one is nice and thick, just the way we want it. Let's transfer this onto the Hilsa, which is nicely cleaned, gutted and washed again. Let's add in some turmeric powder and along with this, salt as required. Let's give this a mix. Mix this nicely and keep it aside for 10 minutes to marinate. And in that time, let's quickly process our banana leaves. What I'm going to do is turn the flame on and cut the banana leaves into roughly squares. Well, what happens in this case is banana leaves are extremely fibrous, and by just running them over open flame, they kind of become pliable and easy to roll into a packet. It's a very quick process. This step is extremely important and mandatory because you do not want struggling with the banana leaf while turning them into packets. And these packets are nothing but paturi in Bengali. We're done with this. Similarly, let's process the other banana leaves. Well, if you're not comfortable doing it like so, you can also use a microwave and microwave the leaves for 30 seconds. Let's take the leaves now. I'm going to place a piece of Hilsa along with a nice dollop of this paste. On top of this, I'm also going to place a slit green chilli. And now, let's roll it up into a parcel. Now this one is rolling absolutely comfortably. If this is not kind of connecting here or getting pasted here, what you can do is just prick a toothpick and secure this for now. Let's place this here and roll other packets or paturis similarly. Hilsa has been marinated, rolled into banana leaves into packets. Time is now to cook it. For this, I'm using a pan. Turn the flame on high and add in a tablespoonful of mustard oil. The oil in the pan is heated up. While placing the paturi in the pan, ensure that the open side or the seam side is always down facing the oil so that it kind of seals before we give it a flip. After 3 minutes on medium flame, we need to carefully give this a flip. Cook this on the other side as well for another 3 minutes or till the Hilsa is perfectly cooked. As promised at the Indian Culinary League, Korbo Lorbo Jitbore, Ebar Ilish Paturi Khabore. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried.